Our own is our own. Nke a bụ nke anyị bụ slogan ndị apụga. Finally, ndị nwe Hip TV na ndị na-eme Headies Award organize has finally going to bring the award to Nigeria. That is the power of social media. Because we cannot continue to worship Oyibo. We cannot continue to worship Oyibo. They have been using us to shine. This time around, let them fly all the way from America, come to Abuja or Lagos or Aba to come and carry our own award back to their destination. Ifeanyi Nabu is our culture. Isagwana is our culture. It's an Igbo culture. You get happy your culture, go to Oyibo man land. Give them respect. Call worship wogi or go make accept. Afrobeat is an African beat. Afrobeat is an African culture. Igba, Ogene, name them. All your be make Afrobeat. Kelika kaiga I get respect. Emana ndingwe Grammy Award. If I'm a hip hop, bunka kama. Give me respect. Can I ndire akwa Afrobeat Award? So now if I get due to Afrobeat that go around the world and the Afrobeat a beat in hip hop and other music. So they will call you and give you some dollars. Jirigi shine one. Apart from that prestige, that award on Madugaka. So big shout out to Headies Award organizers. Big shout out to owner of Hip TV for doing the needful. For doing the needful. Because as in for that now, Okaria, how would the award be Aba or Nature or Lagos? She may organize a ban. Maka Igbo award kawa Yankee adoro necessary. Ega Igbo award kusi nyende bono. Ega wa Yankee sinde bono. Habi waze Yankee. Ama mna duto. Ife mroji merati mbo. Wizkid, Davido. Alamide ha. Tiwa Savage va. Nda hefro. One point in their life they were suffering. One point in their life they were struggling to win the Headies Award. But due to maybe they have gotten one or two. Then Fefilize they are bigger than the Headies Award. Kedika Madagaskar not the bigger than Ndi Mekrie. Onyo amele ndi nwe Hip TV jibri gawa Yankee. But at the end of the day, or they the award, the prestige always in here. Oyibo is still looking down on us. So we should go and represent our own. We should go and build our own. Kana Headies Award as a very important award. Among some people can feel that now Headies are me not na ala on air. Due to even against Lukesh and the Kado Banks. Only win award have Lukesh. But that one, by the way, we are talking about the constant and we are talking about the future. Headies Award we should not be going to America again. That is the future. Urani ya beba ba on the child Lagos. See me ba. See me organize that place. Ibi Yankee or New York will make any sense. It make any sense. Or you make Ife. One of the even Davido. So nka every big lesson to us that we should go and build our own. Because the Wizkid ha, Davido ha, Don Jazzy Burna Boy fa. Enwe ane Headies Award organize. Meona try come. Meona try patronize that award because it's very important. Or operate America, Grammy Award. Perform more. Abogina Headies. Ego Imambia. gị mee space oyibo nye gị ugwu ọ dịghị important wishu nke ahụ anyị nwere anyị ga-agba mbọ ka anyị mee organize ka ọ bụrụ nke anyị ka anyị tinyere ya ugwu because Afrobeat have taken the world whether oyibo like it or not. Afrobeat have taken the world. Look at Calm Down by Rema. Look at what Davido is doing with Afrobeat. Look at Burna Boy. Afrobeat have taken over the world. To an extent that now, Beyonce, Drake is working very hard to feature Afrobeat artists. So, can you I am feeling big to our own. I am a member of our own organized. But they part of us. Okwan the ground I got everybody obuna. Okwan the ground I got all the elite artists in Nigeria. You didn't get feeling with it. Now they go bigger than Headies award. Bikoni. Man, I try patronize that award because it's our own. Share this video. Go everybody enter. Share this video.